prove that the sum of all the angles of a triangle adds to 180. So let's draw a triangle. Say this is any arbitrary triangle. Say this is one side. I'm using a line tool. This is the other side, and this is the third side. So there are three sides in a triangle. Now, so let us name this triangle ABC. So this is the vertex. This is A. This is second vertex B, and this is the third vertex C. So let us name this angle. Say this angle as A, small lowercase a, this lowercase b, and this lowercase c. We want to prove a plus b plus c is 180 degree. Okay. Now, before we prove this, let me uh, tell you, or I hope you know that alternate angles are congruent. So let me draw uh, parallel lines. Suppose this is two parallel lines, so this is a pair of parallel lines, and so this is a transversal. Say, let us name this, say, 1. Let us name this angle 1. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You've got 8 angles, and these two lines are parallel. So this is the notation of parallel, and this is the transversal. Say this is line L, this is line M, and this is T. Now you should be knowing the Z angles, or the alternate angles, are equal. When lines are parallel, you get two pairs of alternate angles. So this is one pair, angle 3, and angle 5 is one pair. So I can say angle 3 is equal to angle 5 because they alternate angles formed by a transversal on parallel lines. The second pair is angle 4 and angle 6. Angle 4 is equal to angle 6. I also call this Z angles. Okay, this angle is equal to this angle. Okay, I hope you can see a Z and the mirror Z. Okay, now we're going to use this to prove this uh, very uh, uh, very useful result used in a lots of places. So what I've done is I have drawn a line which is parallel to BC. So I'm saying this line that is passing through A is parallel to BC. Okay, so if you treat this as a transversal now, so let me treat this as a transversal. Okay, so can you see this angle B is equal to, can you see a Z here? Let me go over this. So can you see a Z? Let me draw a Z. So this is the Z angle formed by parallel lines and a transversal. Here the transversal is line AB. So let me make this, oops, let me make this transversal. So say this is a transversal, and so if this is B, this will also be B. So this is B. Okay. In the same way, if we treat this, as a transversal, if we make this as a transversal, uh, this is a transversal now. If you treat this as a transversal, this is a other Z. Okay, I hope you can see this mirror-like looking Z. Can you see a Z angle here? So this is the Z angle. So if this is C, I'm not color coding exactly. If this is C, this will also be C. Okay, now angles on a straight line adds to how much? So let me write a rule. Angles, a full turn, so this is a half turn. So angles, a full turn makes 360 degree. So I hope you know this rule. Angles on a straight line, angles on a straight line adds to 360, adds to 360 degree. Okay, oh sorry, angles on a straight line adds to, not 360, sorry, 180. My brain was malfunctioning. So because angles at a point adds to 360, angles on a straight line adds to 180. So So can you see A, B, C are angles on a straight line? So this implies, using this rule, in this figure I can say A plus B plus C is 180 degree. So and A, B and C are nothing but angles in a triangle here. So you can say the sum of all the three angles of any triangle adds to 180 degree.